Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are fine. I'm your English A teacher and today I'm going to discuss with you about poem and the name of the poem is Conversation. Meaning of conversation is gossip with anyone, and in Urdu we can say the meaning of conversation is baatcheet. Before telling you the whole poem, first I will discuss with you the difference between poem and short story. First, poem is a thing which creates imaginations by a poet, and it has composed lines. It has not grammatical rules, and it is made up of verses and stanzas. In a poem, all the lines called stanzas or verses. Now I am going to tell you about the short story, and short story has recognizable sentences, it has grammatical rules, and it has organized paragraph. In short stories, all the lines called paragraph and all the lines make a paragraph. Now student, here is the poem Conversation, and it is from your English Oxford book. As I told you, what is the meaning of conversation? Conversation means baatcheet. First, I'll discuss with you words to now. Conversation, talking with someone. Housey, house. Mousey, friendly way of saying mouse. V is a tiny thing or small. Here are 3 stanzas in a poem. First one is Mousey, Mousey, where is your little wee housey? Mousey and housey both are rhyming words. Here is the door under the floor. Now here is also a rhyme word, door and floor. Said Mousey, Mousey. Now I am moving to the next stanza, and the next one is Mousey, Mousey, may I come into your housey? You can't get in, you have to be thin. Said Mousey, Mousey. Here in and thin both are rhyming words. Now the last one stanza is Mousey, Mousey, won't you come out of your housey? I am sorry to say I am busy all day. Say and day both are rhyming words. Said Mousey, Mousey. Now students, here are some lines, but these lines called stanza and verses. You can see on the screen, these are the lines, but these all lines do not have the proper grammatical sense, grammatical rules, and it has not organized paragraph form. Now student, I am moving to the exercise and some rhyming words of the poem. Here are some rhyming words: housey, mousey, door, floor, in, thin, day, say. And these are the words which I have taken from your poem, and you all can make more rhyming words from all these words. Now students, I am going to tell you about the exercise of the story, and here are some question answers, but all the answers will be considered as your one word answer. And the first one question is, who is talking to the mouse? In the story you can listen that cat is talking to the mouse, and as a one word you can write here cat. What does the cat want to do? She wants to eat mouse. What does the mouse tell the cat? Sorry. And you can also write in front of this question the answer is sorry. When is the mouse busy? And the answer is all the day. Do you think the mouse is really busy? And the answer is no. Okay students, now this is the lecture about poem, and hope you all enjoyed. We will meet soon inshallah. Allah Hafiz.